Come back. You're good. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Okay, awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys will not believe what's inside this car. I haven't even seen it yet, and I am buzzing just to get it open. So let's get it open. All the way? This is nerve-wracking.
Hi, I'm here.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I'm late. Hi guys, what's up?
What are your little presents?
I got here right at the right moment, didn't I?
I was
this
like,
is awesome.
I had a feeling you like cars, so I was like, why not just, you know.
This is awesome. All right, let's see what we got.
This is...
You haven't done a big reveal yet, right?
No.
This is Tuesday's first big reveal. So this is, the butterflies are going and stuff, right?
I got excited just seeing the rooms. Like, just that little like...
Oh yeah, there's a sneak peek.
But like
yeah.
2%.
That's cool. I don't know why they do this, but they make these trucks so slow. Just the lead up is like 20 minutes long.
2 hours later.
Good? Yeah? Okay, awesome.
See, this is the fun stuff for me. Oh, this is
Oh, can you do it? Oh, look at you getting your hands dirty. Now we're talking.
Wait.
Leave it, I can do it.
Close. So
it's all
close.
right.
Next time.
All right. Right here, Polestar. We're going to see more of this in future. You've got to remember this badge right here. That's coming. Okie dokes. Got that sign? Let's do it.
Yes.
Here we go. So it's in a nice white color. You got the Polestar brand there. Ooh.
I was not expecting that.
Nice. All right. Okay, I'll grab that. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh my God.
We'll put this here. This is really cool, actually. Oh, wow. And you know what? Let's get it off so we can show you guys properly. All right, it's in position.
It's so beautiful.
Do you like it?
I absolutely love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. But you know what? I'm going to leave it to you.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm doing this one.
You're doing this one.
Tuesday, out. All right, it's you and me, guys. We're gonna have a look at the Polestar Electric Roadster concept. This is the first time I'm getting a very up close look at this car. I'm gonna show you all of its coolest details. All right, we're gonna start at the front. Here we are. I'm gonna turn on the lights, ready? Watch this. I got a little remote here. I love my remotes. Here we go. Lights go on. So you've got this L shape here at the top, and then it kind of is reflected in the bottom here with this L shape, which is quite nice. So we're going to see more of these lights on the road. Of course, you've got the Polestar logo here, and well, the same lights on this side. Did you expect something different? No? Okay. Now down here, what you'll notice is it says Smart Zone. Now, usually all of this kind of sensor tech is hidden away behind a grill or something else, right? Here, they actually want you to see it because this is the future of cars, right? We all know it's there. They're going to get smarter and smarter and smarter. Why hide it? That's the cool stuff, right? So in the winter, if you're in really cold areas, this whole area here will actually be heated. So when you've got snow or rain or whatever it is on the sensors, it will actually heat up so that the snow just melts off. So those sensors will never be compromised in cold weather. That's quite cool. Now, moving around the side, we have these rims. I really like these rims actually. And you guys know I'm a fan of where rims are going with electric cars. They're more closed off. This one has quite a lot of openings actually, surprisingly, because the more closed off a wheel is, the longer range you get from an electric car. But I quite like this design they're going with. Now, what you're actually seeing here is, as I said, the concept. So this is the very first one out. In 2026, this car will be on the road, and the first 500 in the world are going to be a special LA version. What you see here is pretty much what you're gonna get if you buy the production car. You wanna see the interior? Check this out. So as you can see, open, it's a Roadster, right? And this is actually going to come with a hardtop. So the hardtop will fold back into the back here, and then that's how a hardtop goes, like that. And then if you look in here, you've got, right, your steering wheel, and then you've got this big screen here in the middle. Now this does something so cool. I'm gonna show you in just a sec, but here's a little hint. Look at that, Polestar drone. So freaking cool. Now here, this is actually going to be in the production version. These cameras, side cameras, so you don't have the mirrors anymore. Pretty much everything you see here from a design of the car is going to be what you get with the production version. And this is quite cool here. This is going to become quite a cool little feature on all new electric cars. Where is the charging status, right? It could be like the wheels light up, the whole door panel could light up when it's charging. On this car right here, it's here. It's this little discrete charging status. So you plug it in and this will kind of light up as it goes. Now, around the back, come check this out. We've got our rear tail lights, and I've got my little button ready. Here we go. Lights on. So we have some light features or light details here on the side, and then one big light bar that runs across the back of the car and down on both sides. You've got your Polestar logo again, and then down here you've got quite a big like rear diffuser. This is, the design really is based on aerospace technology. They were like, right, we need to make it as sleek and as efficient as possible, and so that's where that design is coming from. It's very like aerodynamic. That's what they're going for. All right, now another cool thing. That wasn't planned. Okay, here, these rear tail lights, right, are not just tail lights, people. They're actually going to double as air brakes. We don't know exactly how it's going to work at this point, but very cool detail. All right, my favorite part, drone technology, bam. All right, now if you press this button right here, Polestar drone, back here, some stuff happens, right? So this opens up and then a drone is revealed that comes out of this compartment, and it actually runs down these tracks. This is like a landing pad for a drone. How freaking cool is that? And then the drone like sits here and then can take off. And then with the drone, you can actually film yourself driving. You can be in your own like little James Bond movie where you can like have this drone tracking you and following you around the car as you drive through the mountains. You're like, wow, I'm such a superstar. The bad news is it's only for the concept. Aww. It's not coming. It's not coming to the production car, and I don't know why. Just notice something. Look, you've got another smart zone. And this is quite cool. This is going to light up. Look, side detection sensors. It goes all the way along here. Look, you can kind of see little features here as it goes. It kind of zigzags all the way across the side of the car. As I said, it's going to be like the supercar of the future, right? The starting price is $200,000. So we are in supercar league price range. They're really focusing on making this car sustainable. Now, the cool thing is every aluminium part in this car is going to be labeled according to the grade of aluminium. So that material can be used for the same grade next time around. So the whole thing can be recycled into different pieces. The other thing is that all of the interior materials are going to be sustainable as well. It's going to have like a special animal welfare traced leather interior. Oh, hello. Hi. These are all my dogs. I'm missing one actually. Hello, darlings. Hi, I'm doing a car review now. Yes, I'm working. Ow, Mummy's working. Go on. Is it possible? Hi, another one. Hi, this is my family. Hi, darling. Okay. Now, we're going to take this for a little mini drive. Ta-da! It's on the road. I actually love seeing concepts on the road because this is really where we can picture what it's going to look like in future, right? This car on a real road, and we're about to see it in action moving along the road, because some concepts you can't even take out of the studio, so it doesn't really feel real. This feels real. Look at this. Here it is in action. 3.2 seconds, 0 to 100. Top speed 250 and about 870 horsepower. That's crazy. Here it is. Look, what do you reckon? Drives by itself. We're out. Massive thank you to Tuesday as well for joining me. She's already run off, film another car. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. So many more cool cars coming. Love you. We're out.